This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Dan Henson. Welcome to your maintenance-free lakefront retreat. This stunning two-story home offers incredible lake views from the spacious lot with elegant fencing. Enjoy the large screened and lanai and serene surroundings. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car tandem garage. The open floor plan features crown molding, a gourmet kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, and a pantry with custom wood shelving. The primary suite boasts a tray ceiling and a spa-like bathroom with an extended shower. Upstairs, enjoy a bonus room, loft, and convenient laundry. This home combines luxury, comfort, and unbeatable views. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below.